Hey, what's up guys? Let's check out this brand new lightsaber I got from RXsabers. It comes with this really nice heavy-duty foam-lined carrying case to protect your lightsaber and all the goodies inside. This is their ASW Replica Episode 3 Anakin Skywalker model. This whole kit comes with the hilt, the instruction manual, a display stand, charging cable and hardware, a display pommel and extra grips, blade plug, and a 32-inch NeoPixel blade. This model came with a Profi 2.2 sound bar, so it has a ton of sound fonts built into it, as well as a lot of different blade profiles that you can see here. Again, a huge shout out and thanks to RXsabers. I really appreciate you guys sending this out. It is a fine addition to my collection and I absolutely love it. May the Force be with you guys.